Hi! So today I'm going to talk about my latest project, the UNR BookFinder. Rather than explain it first, let's just dive in and talk about it as we go. First, I'm going to search for Ruby unit testing, which is something that I wanted to learn more about. Okay, so here are our results. So let's see what happened. These results are actually pulled from Google Books. So we're getting Google's full text search, Google's relevancy ranking, and all sorts of other goodies. What the BookFinder does with these results is actually pretty cool. It goes out into the universe of library resources and finds the fastest way that you can get a book, for free, from your library. Even though the library doesn't own every book in Google Books, we can certainly get most of them for you. Let's examine these results a little more carefully. First, we'll look at this Ruby cookbook. Notice that it says print right here. That lets us know that the library actually has this item in print. Down here is its current status, location, and call number. If we click the title, we're directed to its record in the catalog. There you go. Alright, let's go back to our search results. Now look at this next one, just titled simply Ruby. It turns out that we have ebook access to this through our Safari books. So if I click the title on this one, you'll see we're taken straight through to Safari. And here we go, right at the book. Okay, so that's great, but one problem is that there are always more books out there than the library has. Not all users are aware of just how easy it is often to get books, and in the case of our traditional catalog, we're only showing the user books that we actually own. But this really limits the complete universe that the user has access to. So let's do another search, this time for natural language processing. Okay, and here we go. You'll see the first title is grayed out. This means the library does not own this book, but instead of ebook or print, it says linked plus. This means that we can request this book through our consortial interlibrary loan. It will only take you a few days to get this item. When you click the title this time, you'll be taken to our linked plus page where you can go ahead and request this item. But what about books that even our consortia doesn't have? Let's look at the third item on this page. You'll notice that here it says request. This means that you can request this item through our standard interlibrary loan. What's nice is what happens when you click the title for this item. You'll see that it took us to the request screen, but all of our information is already filled out. Our author, title, year of publication, and publisher, ISBN. So now all we have to do is go ahead and submit, and our request will be submitted. Let's go back one more time. Okay, one last thing I want to show you. Those last few searches were really fast, but that's only because I had actually already done those searches before. Let's search for something that we've never searched for before in the BookFinder. We'll do happy dinosaur. See what that gets us. Okay, so you should notice the little spinning search icons. Right now the BookFinder is actively looking through our resources to try to find you the book. This may take a few seconds, but the cool thing is that once the BookFinder finishes, it stores the results of this search. So the next time you come back, it'll be all ready for you to go, and it'll come up in milliseconds rather than in seconds. Okay, that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed the tour of the BookFinder. Right now it's still in alpha and there's plenty of bugs to work out and things to improve, but hopefully it'll be available to the UNR community very soon. Thank you.